Hallo Freunde! Today we are going to learn unregelmäßige Verben im Präsens, irregular verbs in present tense. We have already learned verb conjugations in an earlier video. So what exactly are irregular verbs? These are the verbs in which verb stem changes during the conjugations with second and third person singular pronoun, that is do and es. Now let's go deep into this chapter. As I said, we have already learned verb conjugation rules in my past video. Most of the verbs in that video were regular verbs, regelmäßige Verben. I will leave its reference link in the description box below if you want to just check that out. Now, let's quickly revise the verb conjugation rules. Let's take this verb, wohnen. Wohnen means to live. And there are two components of the verb, Verbstamm, verb stem, und Endung, ending. So, in case of wohnen, Verbstamm is wohn, endung is ien, and the whole verb wohnen is in infinitive form. Here are the conjugation rules. Ich wohne, rule is Verbstamm plus e of English. Du wohnst, rule is Verbstamm plus st. Sie es wohnt, rule is Verbstamm plus t. Wir wohnen, rule is Verbstamm plus en. Ihr wohnt, rule is Verbstamm plus t. Sie wohnen, Verbstamm plus en. As you can see, for wir and sie, which means formal you and they, the conjugation actually looks like the infinitive form. And do note that Verbstamm is not changing in the conjugations here, only endung is changing. In case of irregular verbs, vowels of Verbstamm change during the conjugations with do and es. The Vokale wechseln means the vowels change. Wechseln is a verb, it means to change or to exchange also, like in case of currencies. The vowels change from E to I, A und I auf Deutsch, E to IE, A und IE auf Deutsch, and A, O, U will generally carry umlaute in the conjugations. Let's learn our first irregular verb, sein. Sein means to be. We have already learned this video and this is an irregular verb, most important, most common verb, and you cannot live without it. Conjugations are ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. You can see that this verb does not follow the conjugation rules like regular verbs at all. Zum Beispiel, ist Mechaniker. He is mechanic. Bist du verrückt? Are you crazy? Next verb on the list is haben. Haben means to have. Here are the conjugations. Ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. And you can see that the conjugations with do and es are different than the normal conjugation rules like regular verbs. And apart from do and es, rest of the personal pronouns are following the normal conjugation rules. Zum Beispiel, hat einen Hund. He has a dog. Haben Sie ein Kleid? Do you have a dress? Next verb on the list is lesen. Lesen means to read. Here are the conjugations. Ich lese, du liest, sie es liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen. You can see that the vowel E of Verbstamm is changing to IE during the conjugations with do and es. Rest of the personal pronouns are following the conjugation rules like regular verbs. Zum Beispiel, ich lese ein Magazin. I read a magazine. Wir lesen Bücher. We read books. Fourth verb on the list is sprechen. Conjugations are ich spreche, du sprichst, sie es spricht, Wir sprechen, ihr sprecht, sie sprechen. And here you can see that the vowel E of Webstamm is changing to I in the conjugations with do and es. Rest of the personal pronouns are following the normal rule of conjugations. Zum Beispiel, spricht English. He speaks English. Du sprichst ein bisschen Deutsch. You speak a bit of German. Ein bisschen means a bit or little bit. Let's move on to the next verb, fahren. Fahren means to go or to drive. Conjugations are ich fahre, du fährst, es fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. And you can see that the vowel of Webstamm a is carrying umlaut in the conjugations with do and es. And again rest of the personal pronouns are just following normal conjugation rules. Zum Beispiel, ich fahre nach Berlin. I go to Berlin. Sie fährt nach München. She goes to Munich. Next verb on the list is my favorite verb, essen. Essen means to eat. I love eating. Jokes apart, conjugations are ich esse, du isst, sie isst, wir essen, ihr esst, sie essen. Here you can see that the vowel E of Webstamm is changing to I during the conjugations with do and es. Zum Beispiel, du isst Currywurst. You eat curry sausage. Currywurst is a very common food in Germany. Sie essen nur Erdbeeren. They eat only strawberries. Here is the last irregular verb in today's video, nehmen. Nehmen means to take. Ich nehme, du nimmst. Es nimmt. Wir nehmen, ihr nehmt, sie nehmen. Here you can see that apart from the change in the vowel, there is also addition of extra letters during the conjugations with do and es. And rest of the personal pronouns are just following the normal rules of conjugations. Zum Beispiel, nimmt Pommes frites. He takes fries or French fried potatoes. Ihr nehmt eine Pizza. You all take a pizza. Now it's time for the House of Gabe. In the homework, you have to fill in the conjugated verb according to personal pronoun and subject of the sentence. You may have to refer to the video all over again from the beginning. Do leave your answers and doubts in the comment box below. I will get back to you ASAP. Dankeschön. Bis zum nächsten Mal.